Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. For this video, I just wanted to show you guys how my design turned out. It took me a while to finish it, but it turned out perfect as I wanted. I had a over 2 kilogram, about 4 pounds, maybe more. uh, 2 cones of yarn that I bought from Iplic Outlet. It's cotton yarn, and I finished it. I washed it, yeah, because I wanted to see how it would turn out when you wash it, right? And I hanged it just to air. It was pretty windy, so I wanted to have the cardigan to have it air dry outdoors. It's a fantastic day. And I did block it, and I put it on for you guys to see. I did a couple of videos, clips on TikTok. I had to remove the music because of the copyright. I don't want to get into trouble, right? So if you want to listen to the music, you can go to my Instagram page or my TikTok page and listen to the music. And here I am weighing. Yes, I was just shocked. Exactly 760 gram for this cardigan, and it's a plus size. Extra large to 4 extra large would comfortably fit in. Yeah. Here I am weighing it. And I am going to show you me wearing it. See, it's pretty long. It's down all the way. And I just love how it turned out. So this is something that you can make your own. If you have a perfect stitch in your mind, just follow my steps. As I did a couple of tutorials, you can go and check it out. On the month of April and May, I posted them. I designed them. I designed it. I picked a stitch, and again, I've been getting lots of comments. How many chains do you chain? The thing is, I don't work with chains. I work with measurements. Please put that in your mind that I don't work with chains. So if you have a particular stitch that you want to work with, you can use my method. So I hope you like this show fashion that I have created and enjoy it. I did put on makeup just to point out. So you guys enjoy it, have fun, and I'll see you on my next videos. And I'm trying to finish my whips at the moment. So you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, and come and join me on my Instagram page. I did post it on the community that I've been celebrating my 750 uploads on YouTube. You guys take care. Bye-bye.